Hi, first graders. It's Miss Oaks here, and today you're going to be taking the first part of your math final. And a final is a test that we take at the end of the year, and it's going to have questions over things that you've learned all year long. So you'll see questions about shapes, you'll see questions about place value, which is tens and ones, you'll see questions about time and measuring. We're going to have questions about all kinds of stuff, okay? So you're going to be doing the first part of your test today, and then I'm going to give you a little break, and then tomorrow you'll come back and do the second part of your test, okay? Because our test is kind of long, so I wanted to split it up into 2 days so you didn't have to take everything all in one day. So let's go ahead and get started, and it'll be just like any other normal test. I'll read you the question, and then you'll do the problem on your own. So on the first slide, it says, solve for the unknown numbers. Use space provided to draw quick tens or a number bond or the arrow way to show your work. So you have 4 problems. This one says 9 plus blank equals 13. 18 plus 20 equals blank. Blank equals 30 minus 10. So the problem is 30 minus 10, and you're writing your answer here. And then the last one says 56 plus 31 equals blank. It's super important that on all of these problems, we show our work, just like you've been practicing for all of these problems in Module 6, okay? I don't just want you to write the answer. I need you to show your work for every single problem.